I'm actually making a car related video. Yes, finally, the content that you guys subscribed for. Oh my God, praise the Lord. Thank God, it's actually happening. Wow. Today, we are installing in my car. Whoa, 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 whoa. This. Can you guess what's in this package? Pause the video right now and comment down below. Try and guess. And then, if you got it right, you win an Xbox. You don't actually win an Xbox, but do it. We're installing this, and these bad boys are floor mats. That's right, the classic diamond stitch floor mats that everyone has. I'm so original, yeah. But yeah, we're gonna put them in my car. I'm so excited. I've honestly wanted these for a while. I got the gold stitching, and I'm kind of thinking, like, to match the wheels. And I'm kind of thinking maybe I should have got the blue. So I'm just gonna go move the car over here. So then you guys are looking at my nasty garage instead of this nasty wall with all the puck marks in it. And then I'll get installing. Let's go. Cold start, baby. I feel like this is a good time for me to do a shoe review. I recently purchased the Converse CXs. I've marketed as the most comfortable Converse ever. And I was like, that's cap, no way. But holy crap, these things, they stretch with you and it's so comfortable. I actually love them. They got this like cool, like clear rubber on them. I don't know, I just think they're really cool. Figured I'd show you guys. So we'll let the car warm up for like a couple minutes and then move it over here. I got some mail in my mailbox, so let's go check out and see if there's anything for me. No, there is not. Welcome to your favorite part of the vlog, running with Ethan. We do this quite often. We're a very fit, physically active channel here at Toothless. I just sprayed down the car, and when I backed up there, a bunch of water came off the sunroof and like down onto me. So let's get installing. By the way, I ordered these things off AliExpress. So many other companies drop ship them and try to rip you guys off. Sell them for like 300, 250 bucks. No, don't do that. AliExpress, baby. I think it took like maybe like 3 weeks for them to come. Like, sure, maybe with the other companies they'll come faster, but like paying so much more. Definitely AliExpress this stuff. So let's get going. I guess I'll lay them out because I really have no idea what parts go where. All right, so I got these bad boys sitting down right here, and it's looking like this is how the layout's gonna be. These are actually custom made for the TC specifically. They just have them for any car on AliExpress. My God. God bless AliExpress. Nice cheap products. But yeah, look, here we go. They tuck into the plastic there to help stay in place. Got the entire back, got the passenger side right here, and then we got the driver's side. Huh? Looking pretty good if you ask me. I mean, there's this little crease in there, but that'll definitely come out. And I am sweating absolute balls. It is hot out here. I'm not used to this hot weather in Canada. My God, it's not even hot. I'm just used to the winter. I'm actually gonna get my 5G shot in 40 minutes, so I gotta hurry this up. Let's get installing. We're gonna start off with the car. Everyone say hi to Pedro. Comment down below, hi Pedro. And then we're gonna move this up. We're gonna see Timothy back there. Hi Timothy. And we're just gonna, I guess I'll just freaking leave these in. I mean, why bother taking them out? I don't wanna have to put them somewhere, keep track of them. So I'll just put this on top of them. And let's go. As you can see, the fit is absolutely beautiful. Hi, hi, hi. I don't know if you can see what I'm doing. I don't think you can, but oh wow, this is nice. AliExpress is hooking it up, let me tell you. Okay, so we got the back mats in. Look at that, very nice. And as you can see, I think it's looking pretty great. Looking back from the middle, like, I mean, I like it. I'm digging it. Blue probably would have looked cooler. So what you're going to want to do with all these tabs right here, if you guys choose to buy some of these, I'll leave the link down below in the description also for you. But you just tuck them in under the plastic, right? Just like that. And boom. She's in there. And then this material like really sticks to the carpet, so it doesn't really move around. But yeah, this is honestly just super easy to put in. You just give it the old zhum, and yeah, there you go. As you can see, passenger side's all up in there. Connects to the back pretty well. Like, I mean, if there's like a little tiny flap here, it'd be perfect. But I mean, I'm not complaining. Look at that. I'm happy. I'm very happy with how this looks so far. And it's driver's side time. I should 100% clean all this. I'll do that another day because it's just so easy to pop in and out. But like I said, I gotta go get my vaccine, so I gotta be fast. Boom, she's nice and in there. Look at that. I'm gassed up. Guys, can we get a let's go down in the comments? Toothless decals are now available for everybody. Link down in description below if you guys want some of that. And look at this. I'm happy with how this looks. Sheesh! 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 The whole interior is gonna get redone. I'm excited. It's gonna be sick. So yeah, here we go, baby. I'm excited. I'm really happy with how it looks. The gold matches the wheels nicely. And I got more parts coming in. I've made a order last night and earlier this week, so get ready everybody. I'm excited. It's gonna be fun. And make sure you subscribe. Hit that subscribe button down below to keep up to date with everything that's going on with this build. I post about it a lot on Instagram and TikTok, so those will be right here. Make sure you guys give that a follow. And what is up, everybody? We just got our 5G shot right in here, and there's 4 shorties chilling right there, and I couldn't chat them up because I was late, so I just ran in. But I ran and like showed off the booty, you know, and then I come back and this girl leaves her Snapchat right under my window wiper. This is why you work out, boys, okay? Toothless gang, I am telling you. Let's go. But now I'm gonna go wash the car because, man, it is filthy. It's absolutely disgusting. And also, like, I really like the floor mats, but I definitely should have got the blue. I 100% should have gotten the blue. But I've got these other floor mats coming in. You'll see what they look like. I plan on putting them on top of them, so you're really only gonna see this side part. And maybe that'll look cool because they're like a white base with some red accent on it, which, please, if you ever get into my car, wipe your feet off because that's gonna be a bitch to clean. I already know, but like, so I'm thinking maybe it'll look good, but I already know the blue on the side would have went better with it. What is up, you guys? We are on the way to the car wash, and I just discovered my window wiper needs replacing. We're dropping an envelope off. It contains a nice toothless decal to my boy JGBTC. Go follow him. He's got a sick purple TC, nicest TC in the game, I think. And I'm just so excited that he's gonna be repping the gang out in Maryland. Big respects, man. We're getting big. We're expanding. I'm excited. Are you excited? Comment down below. And easy transition, post office. And we're out here at the post office. That's right, we got the post office right there. We got some litter right here. If you litter, you're a piece of shit. We're gonna go drop this bad boy off, and we're gonna go expand the gang to Maryland. It's raining, but I got a car wash pass, so we're gonna go wash the car, because I gotta wash a day, and you best believe I'm getting my money's worth. So also, when I went in there to mail my package, I wore my toothless mask. You can order those today, link in bio. Guaranteed to stop anything from getting through. If you're a gay man, hand sanitizer, baby. Hand sanitizer, vaccination with Pfizer. Yeah, nice. Shit. Can you guys see me? Hold on, if I. Hey, Oh my God, the person in front of me should not be driving. They're absolutely faded. We're at the car wash, baby. Let's go. Oh, there we go. Oh my God, oh my God. My freaking, is my sunroof? No, okay. Woo. Let's go. It jets up the sides. That did not sound good. Literally every time I go in here, something breaks. Like that sounded horrible. Oh my God, we're gonna see the damage once this car wash is done. God damn! Comment down below right now. What do you think broke? I'm thinking my front lip. I gotta stop coming here. Last time I was here, my rear roof spoiler blew off from the blow dryers over there and shattered on the ground right beside me, like right down over there. Oh my God, my fucking roof spoiler just broke. It's in my quarantine cruise vlog. I'll link to it right here, link down in description if you guys want to watch that happen. But let's see what broke. Let's see what broke. Oh, we're good. Oh, we're good. I think this just popped up maybe, or something. I don't know how, but it's okay. And I'm not questioning it. If one thing life has taught me is if you want something bad enough and your heart is pure, magical things can happen. Smash like people, stay frosty, and two. Oh, sorry guys. You landed perfectly in the opposite door's cup holder. I don't know if you can see that or if you guys could see that, but my God.